Hi friends and fellow Disney fans, I'm Jamie with Click the Mouse. I am a travel agent specializing in Disney vacations. I'm here to help you get the most magical trip possible. Today we're talking about Disney World tickets and all about them, what kinds there are and what kind is best for your family. So stay tuned. So guys, as I said before, we are talking about Disney World tickets. What types there are. So that is the first biggest things. What kind of tickets are there? There are basically three types of tickets for Disney World. There is base tickets, Park Hopper, and Park Hopper Plus. You might be going, what do all those mean? Let's talk about them. So base tickets basically mean that you can visit one park per day. So if you have a 5-day base ticket, you get to visit any of the 4 parks up to 5 days worth. So you can visit Magic Kingdom, Epcot, Hollywood Studios, and Animal Kingdom. Now you can leave that park, but if you return back, like let's say you go for a nap, an afternoon nap, and if you return back, you're going to have to return back to the same park you were at previously in the day. So that is a base ticket, basically one park per day. Next type of tickets are Park Hopper. Park Hopper means that you can basically go to one park in the morning and go to a totally different park later in the day. Not only that, you could go to as many different parks in the day as you want. So if you want to visit Animal Kingdom in the morning, in the afternoon Epcot, and then, cap it off with Magic Kingdom fireworks, you can dream it, dreamer. You can do it. Disney World is huge. So a lot of people go, is Park Hopper worth it? There's so much to do at each park, and you can definitely get a day's worth at each park. But if you've gone before, you might want Park Hopper. If you have kids and you want flexibility, having Park Hopper is really handy. How we personally use it is in the morning, we'll go to a park with extra magic hours. And by about 11 o'clock, extra magic hours really fills up the park. So it's gonna be the busiest park automatically because extra magic hours. So once the park starts to fill, our family actually goes back for a little nap, swim, rest, and then we'll return to a different park that has lower crowds in the evening. So that's how we like to use Park Hopper. It's really fancy that way. And also, you can use Park Hopper by going between Magic Kingdom and Epcot super easily because there's the monorail right there. You just hop on and it probably takes about 20 minutes max to get in between the two. Hollywood Studios and Epcot, also super easy with the new Skyliner to go between those two parks. Animal Kingdom is the only one that can be a little tougher, but they do have bus service. So you can go hop on a bus and then go to another park. So Disney World tries to make it as easy as possible to park hop. Another time that Park Hopper is really gonna come in handy for your family is if you're going in August, September, October, November, or December. Because the parks are gonna be closing early for Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party and Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party. So that probably happens, I would say almost 3 times a week. So automatically, every single person with a base ticket is going to be going on a non-party day. That is gonna be the busiest park day at Magic Kingdom. And Magic Kingdom's already a busy park. So you're gonna be wall to wall and just have long waits. So if you wanna go when the park is empty, you're gonna go on a party day, which the park doesn't fill up till about 4 o'clock when the party goers start to arrive. And then once the park fills up, you've done all your rides, you've experienced low crowds, and you're gonna park hop over to Epcot for those evening fireworks, do some rides there. And that way you're avoiding the lines totally and really maximizing your use of that Park Hopper ticket. The last option we are going to be talking about is the Park Hopper Plus. This by far is the most complicated option and confusing option. People just get what is this plus option? So Park Hopper Plus basically gives you equal amount of fun visits to the water parks or mini golf. So if you buy 5-day Park Hopper Plus, you get 5 visits to the main parks. And then you get 5 fun visits that you can use anytime at the water parks or mini golf. And I gotta say, side note, Disney water parks are amazing. They're not just all about the rides. There is ones with wave pools, lazy rivers, so much fun. Your kids and your family are gonna love it. I love going there and relaxing. And the big key to Park Hopper Plus is it pretty much doubles your tickets. So if you get 5-day Park Hopper Plus, that gives you 5 visits plus 5 fun visits. So that's giving you 10 days worth of tickets. It doesn't have to be used even on the same day. So let's say you go to the Magic Kingdom one day, then the next day you use a fun visit and you go visit the water park. So it's a really awesome option for kind of getting more value out of your tickets. And oftentimes, even if you visit the water parks just once, it pays for itself. It's just a nominal little extra fee above having Park Hopper. So for my guests, I usually, especially if they're going like in the summertime when it's hot, I always encourage them to add it on because, you know, when you're going in August, in the August heat, man, you want to go back, have like a nice like dip in the pool, you know, go to the water park, and then in the evening maybe go to see the fireworks or something. Whatever, it's vacation, so you deserve that. And the nice thing about the water parks is you don't have to pre-book that. So you don't have to pre-book fast passes for that, anything. You can just show up at the water parks and then use your fast passes in the afternoon or evening. So it gives you that little extra flexibility to really enjoy your vacation. Another important thing to note with your Disney World tickets is it does not include visits to Universal. You would be surprised with how many times people think that Hollywood Studios and Universal are the same park. They'll show up at Universal ready to use their Disney World tickets. Sadly, they are totally 2 different companies. So if you are hoping to get to Universal, you're going to have to buy Universal Orlando tickets. You're not going to be able to use your Disney World tickets there, unfortunately. So I want to thank you guys for taking the time and watching my video about Disney World tickets. If you are interested in a Disney World vacation, make sure to contact me. I am a travel agent specializing in Disney vacations, so I can help you get the most out of your next Disney vacation. My email is jamie@clickthemouse.ca, or you can contact me through the website www.clickthemouse.ca/Jamie. I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye!